Alright, what's up everybody? It is a mailbag unboxing Monday. It is Monday, February 22nd, 2021 when I make this. Might be like 2 days later when I open it. This is from Jennifer Wilson. Let's see what it is. I already know what it is. You guys don't. Need a knife or something. I wonder if a butter knife works. Let's test it. Not really. Oh, it kind of does. It kind of does, I guess. That's pretty cool. I need a new memory card soon. Holy shit. I can't believe this butter knife is working. I'm gonna use it like a hacksaw though. Let's see what it is, huh? Cool! I got bubble wrap. Yeah, cool. Just kidding, I didn't get bubble wrap. What could it be, huh? In this little package. Camp Snoopy Mall of America mug, or cup. Look at that. It's glass. It's plastic. It's glass, it's plastic. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. Get every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.